The best way to make homes interior clutter-free and organized is a well-planned layout and sufficient storage. The homeowners have requested an extensive beverage counter in the living space for making drinks for their guests. We have planned and divided the space with color visuals separating the two areas at the same time, matching up with its laminate finish. The warmness of the wood essence amplifies the space with a very comfortable and vibrant ambience. Having a compact space in this modern contemporary EC unit, given the limited amount of kitchen floor space.